Our homes are our havens. We retreat to them for comfort, warmth, and security. Yet the way we heat our homes often comes at a cost to the planet. Traditional heating systems reliant on fossil fuels contribute significantly to carbon emissions, exacerbating climate change. This reality necessitates a shift towards sustainable and innovative solutions. Imagine a future where our homes are not only heated efficiently, but also contribute to a greener planet. This is the promise of harnessing steam power for home heating and energy. The need for change is pressing. Climate change is no longer a distant threat. Its effects are being felt worldwide. Rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and rising sea levels underscore the urgent need for action. Reducing our reliance on fossil fuels is paramount, and this includes rethinking how we heat our homes. Traditional heating systems, while effective, come with a hefty environmental price tag. They release harmful pollutants into the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect and further accelerating climate change. The time for sustainable solutions is now, and steam power offers a compelling path forward. Imagine a system that harnesses the power of the sun to generate steam, storing it for use during the colder months. This is not a futuristic fantasy, it's a tangible possibility with the potential to revolutionize home heating. By embracing renewable energy sources like solar, we can dramatically reduce our carbon footprint while ensuring our homes remain warm and comfortable. This transition to sustainable heating solutions is not merely about reducing emissions, it's about creating a healthier and more sustainable future for generations to come. This shift requires a collective effort. Governments, industries, and individuals must work together to embrace and implement these innovative technologies. The benefits extend far beyond our homes, impacting our communities and the planet as a whole. By investing in renewable energy and sustainable infrastructure, we can create a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable world for everyone. The time to act is now. The future of our planet depends on it. The process begins with capturing the sun's energy during the summer months. Large parabolic mirrors, strategically positioned to maximize sunlight exposure, focus the sun's rays onto a central receiver. This intense heat converts water into steam, which is then captured and stored in insulated tanks. These tanks, designed for long-term storage, keep the steam at a high temperature and pressure, preserving its energy potential for later use. The beauty of this system lies in its simplicity and efficiency. Sunlight, a free and abundant resource, is harnessed to create a readily storable form of energy. The process is environmentally friendly, producing no harmful emissions or pollutants. And because the steam is generated during the summer when sunlight is most intense, it ensures a consistent and reliable energy source throughout the year, even during the colder winter months. Storing the steam is a critical aspect of this innovative system. The insulated tanks are designed to minimize heat loss, ensuring the steam remains at a usable temperature for an extended period. These tanks, often located underground to further enhance insulation, act as giant thermal batteries, storing the sun's energy until it's needed. The cost-effectiveness of this storage method is another significant advantage. Unlike traditional energy storage solutions that can be expensive and complex, storing steam is relatively straightforward and cost-efficient, making it a viable option for widespread adoption. The ability to capture and store summer's abundant solar energy addresses a key challenge associated with renewable energy sources: intermittency. Solar power, while plentiful, is dependent on weather conditions. By capturing and storing excess energy generated during sunny periods, this steam-based system overcomes this limitation, providing a consistent and reliable energy source regardless of the weather. This reliability is crucial for meeting the demands of home heating, ensuring warmth and comfort even during the darkest winter days. As winter sets in and temperatures drop, the stored steam becomes a valuable source of heat. This is where Catalyze comes into play, a revolutionary method for on-demand steam generation. Catalyze utilizes a chemical reaction to release the stored thermal energy from the steam. This reaction, triggered by a catalyst, is highly efficient and controllable, allowing for precise heat regulation within the home. Imagine a fireplace that, instead of burning wood, uses a controlled chemical reaction to release heat from stored steam. This method offers several advantages over traditional heating systems. First, it eliminates the need for combustion, which means no harmful emissions or air pollutants are released into the environment. This is a significant step towards cleaner and healthier homes and communities. Second, Catalyze provides instant heat on demand. There's no waiting for a furnace to warm up or radiators to heat. The heat is available immediately, providing instant comfort. This responsiveness makes it an ideal solution for maintaining a consistent and comfortable temperature within the home. Furthermore, the Catalyze process is remarkably efficient. The chemical reaction releases almost all the stored thermal energy as heat, minimizing energy loss. This efficiency translates into lower energy consumption and reduced heating costs for homeowners. The precise control offered by Catalyze allows for customized temperature settings in different areas of the home, further optimizing energy usage. Imagine setting different temperatures for your living room, bedroom, and bathroom, ensuring optimal comfort while minimizing energy waste. This level of control not only enhances comfort, but also contributes to significant energy savings. By heating only the spaces that require it, homeowners can significantly reduce their energy consumption and lower their carbon footprint. This localized heating approach also eliminates the energy waste associated with traditional systems that often heat an entire house, even when only a few rooms are occupied. Catalyze, therefore, offers a more sustainable and cost-effective way to heat our homes. Section 4. Beyond heating, a source of electric power. This innovative system goes beyond just heating our homes. It can also generate electricity. By passing the steam through a turbine, it spins a generator, producing clean and sustainable electrical power. This means homes equipped with this system can become partially or even fully energy independent, reducing their reliance on the traditional power grid. Imagine a home that generates its own heat and electricity, significantly reducing its environmental impact. This ability to generate electricity has far-reaching implications. It empowers homeowners with greater control over their energy usage and reduces their dependence on fossil fuel-based power plants. This shift towards decentralized energy production can contribute to a more resilient and sustainable energy grid. Imagine a neighborhood where multiple homes generate their own electricity, creating a microgrid that can operate independently during power outages. The excess electricity generated during periods of low demand can be stored in batteries for later use or even fed back into the main grid, further enhancing the system's sustainability and cost-effectiveness. This two-way flow of energy creates a more dynamic and resilient energy system, reducing strain on the grid and promoting the use of renewable energy sources. Homeowners can become active participants in the energy ecosystem, contributing to a cleaner and more sustainable future. The integration of electricity generation with home heating systems represents a paradigm shift in how we think about energy consumption and production. It empowers individuals to take control of their energy needs while contributing to a more sustainable and resilient energy future. This holistic approach to home energy management aligns perfectly with the growing movement towards decentralized and renewable energy solutions. As we transition towards a future powered by clean energy, systems like these will play a crucial role in shaping a more sustainable and equitable energy landscape. Section 5. Towards a self-sufficient future. The steam-based heat pump system, with its ability to store summer heat and generate electricity, offers a glimpse into a future of self-sufficient homes. Imagine homes that are not only energy efficient, but also capable of generating their own heat and electricity, significantly reducing their reliance on external sources. This vision of autonomy is not just environmentally responsible, but also empowering, giving homeowners greater control over their energy consumption and costs. The benefits of such a system extend far beyond individual households. As more homes adopt this technology, it can contribute to a more decentralized and resilient energy grid. Imagine a network of homes, each generating its own power, interconnected and capable of sharing excess energy with neighbors. This localized approach to energy production and consumption can reduce strain on the grid, enhance energy security, and minimize transmission losses. Moreover, this self-sufficiency aligns perfectly with the global push towards sustainability. By reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and embracing renewable energy sources, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint and mitigate the effects of climate change. This transition to a more sustainable energy future is not just an environmental imperative. It's an opportunity to create a cleaner, healthier, and more equitable world for all. The journey towards a future powered by clean and sustainable energy requires innovation, collaboration, and a willingness to embrace new technologies. The steam-based heat pump system, with its potential to transform home heating and energy production, represents a significant step in the right direction. By investing in and implementing such innovative solutions, we can pave the way for a future where our homes are not only comfortable and efficient, but also contribute to a healthier planet. This is the promise of a self-sufficient future, and it's a future worth striving for.